Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going try and repair this 43-inch LG LED TV with the fault white shaded picture problem. Here in this model TV, the panel TCON board is integrated with the motherboard and comes with a double LVDS cable. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are due to Gatesignals shorting inside the glass panel. If the shorting is any one side of the panel, then we can repair it using taping method and cutting method. If both sides panel Gatesignals are short, then not possible to fix. After all this, just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends upon the user luck basis. Anyway, here we first block the right side Gatesignals, but complaints remain same, so let's block on left side FFC cable. See friends, after blocking left side tracks using taping method, half portion of the picture is visible with picture freezing problem. This means that the right side Gatesignals are partially short, so here both sides Gatesignals are short, so panel replacement is the one and only permanent solution for this. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you watching.